Hello friends, how are you doing today? Very quickly, I'll be showing you how to reinsert your bobbin case. Emphasis on reinserting. So first things first, you have to unplug your sewing machine from the power source, and then you take out your needle and your foot. Although in this video I didn't remove the foot, I didn't remove the needle because I was rushing to make this video for someone. So taking out the bobbin is pretty easy, but for you to take out the bobbin case, you have to unscrew. If you bought your sewing machine brand new, you should have this type of screwdriver, but in case you don't have it, you can use the regular ones. It's fine, it's the same. When I was done taking out my screws, I just took out the plate, that's the plate cover, and this is where the real work is. Taking out the bobbin case and replacing it, they are more like the same to me. So if you want to take this out, you just push it against the wall of the slot where it is, and here you go. Then this, to fix it back, just put it through the top right corner. This part of this video I didn't edit it at all because I wanted you to see and know how long it took me to replace mine or to reinsert mine. So I just put it through the top corner, the top right corner. I pushed it in. So it was not resting well. So I just wheeled the hand wheel just a little, and I did it again. Just keep watching. Then I noticed it made a click sound. It should wiggle a little. So I just tried it and it's working perfectly. So this is an unedited video. I mean this part of this video, so you see. So it's quite easy. But the first time I tried it, it was kind of tricky, but I practiced it over and over again and I got the logic. I hope this video helps. And if you are new to this channel, you are most welcome. And please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Thanks so much for watching.